What is going on? My name is AlTone, and this is the DRC high-speed RC racing boat. So I gotta put it out there. Thank you to DRC for sending this out to me for me to try out and just have a ball with. I'm not one that's really into RC boats so much, but I think they just sold me with this guy. So what comes in the box with this awesome little boat is the DRC 2008 racing boat, the remote, a charging cable, 2 batteries, screwdriver, a spare prop, front bumper, and a display stand. On the top of the boat itself, you just have your top hatch, which has a locking mechanism. You can just open it up so that you can see the internals, and it does water seal very well. So inside you have your steering servo, water-cooled motor, and your battery bay for holding down your battery. And on the front, on both sides, you have LED lights, then you have a water intake and a water drain. And then of course you have the rudder for steering in the rear. On the transmitter itself, you have your on-off switch, an LED light button to turn the LEDs on and off on the boat, a steering wheel, a throttle trigger, a speed button, a demo button, so it will do a demo, basically just going in a circle, and your trim buttons. And what you might want to know as far as specifications on this awesome little boat, you get 15 minutes of runtime per battery. Your running speed is anywhere from 20 to 25 kilometers per hour, and that's based on conditions, of course. The charging time per battery is about 150 minutes. Your max control distance is 150 meters, and your remote requires 4 AA batteries, which are not included. The only thing I personally did not test on this boat was the range, because I don't currently have a recovery boat as of yet. So once I get a recovery boat, then I may come out and test a range on it as well. So I look forward to taking it out and sharing more information and experiences that I have with this boat. I truly hope that this helped you decide whether or not the DRC 2008 is the right boat for you. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.